going on, guys? So I finally just got my BlendJet. I can't wait to use this. I have been waiting on it because as a flight attendant, I'm always on the go, and I was looking for a product that I can make my protein shakes on the go, and this is the BlendJet. I have read a lot of reviews on this, ended up purchasing one, so I'm gonna give it a try, and I'll give you guys my feedbacks later on afterwards. But as of right now, I'm liking it just because it's portable, it's convenient to use. Not only that, it has a rechargeable USB cord, which you can charge it anywhere, even in your car. So let's give it a try and see how it goes. But as of right now, I have a trip today and I cannot wait to use it. So I'll give you guys the feedback later. Guys, so I'm ready to go to work now, but I just want to show you guys samples of protein shakes. As of right now, I'm going to be using a natural protein shake with my BlendJet, one full banana. The first thing, you just throw the banana in there along with some almond milk. And this is also some examples of things that you can use, powdered protein. I personally don't use this. That's the reason why I'm using my own protein shaker. So the own protein shaker meaning making my own homemade protein shake, along with some mixed nuts and some almond butter. And once I'm done, all I have to do is seal it right away. Put the lid on top, and away we go. Again, you can use this anywhere, at the gym, inside the plane. You can also charge it inside the car, which is what I'm doing now. And I'm about to drink this protein shake, which is almond butter, almond milk, mixed nuts, and some bananas. That's what I have in here. And I'm getting ready to go on my trip now. But before I go on my trip, this is going to be my protein shake to get me through the day. And of course, whenever I want to use it in flight, this is going to be very convenient to use it in flight, only because of how compact and small it is. So I wanted to get this BlendJet for that specific reason, and I think it's going to be very convenient. Check it out.